History has always been a mirror reflecting who we were and how we became what we are. But every once in a while, that mirror clears up in a way that startles even the wisest among us. The years 2024 and 2025 became such turning points when the earth began to speak in whispers, revealing truths long buried beneath centuries of silence. 1. Egypt, a forgotten tomb in the shadow of the pyramids. In early 2024, a previously unknown tomb was discovered near Giza. It wasn't marked with the pharaoh's name, yet it held clues of immense power and significance. The walls were mysterious glyphs unlike any seen before. Archaeologists believe it belonged to one of the most influential women of Egypt's Old Kingdom. Decoding the tomb symbols could potentially rewrite entire chapters of ancient Egyptian history. 2. Pompeii, the House of the Painter. Excavations in early 2025 unearthed a new Roman house, dubbed the House of the Painter. What made it special were the vividly painted walls and poetic inscriptions. For the first time, scholars began to understand that not only Roman elites, but also common citizens, had rich artistic lives. This discovery reshaped our understanding of daily Roman culture. 3. Antarctica, Viking echoes beneath the ice. Perhaps the most astonishing discovery came from the icy depths of Antarctica, a wooden artifact dating back nearly 900 years. Carbon dating suggests it could be of Viking origin. If confirmed, this would radically alter our understanding of pre-Columbian seafaring. Could Norse explorers have ventured this far south? 4. Rock, the time-bending goddess of summer. In mid-2024, clay tablets uncovered in Iraq introduced the world to Nanusta, an unknown Sumerian goddess described as the bender of time. The discovery raises thrilling questions. Did the ancients believe time itself could be altered or manipulated? 5. China, the Emperor's Mercury Labyrinth. In Xi'an, China, already famed for the terracotta army, archaeologists uncovered a complex network of underground tunnels in 2025. One chamber was filled with pools of liquid mercury, long associated with immortality in ancient Chinese philosophy. These chambers may have been part of a secret alchemical experiment ordered by China's first emperor, who, according to legend, sought eternal life. Could it be that this was not just mythology, but a real and dangerous pursuit? 6. Greece, Socrates hid in prison. For centuries, historians debated where the philosopher Socrates was actually imprisoned. In 2024, advanced laser mapping revealed a secret courtroom and detention chamber beneath Athens. Inscriptions and markings confirmed it as the place where Socrates awaited his death, visited in secret by his disciples. This discovery brings philosophical history out of legend and into the tangible world. 7. Saudi Arabia, the Nabataean queen. In Al-Ula, Saudi Arabia, a forgotten Nabataean settlement emerged in 2025. Carvings revealed a female ruler, once venerated as a bearer of wisdom. One inscription, translated as "She who lit our city with knowledge," has sparked renewed interest in the role of women in pre-Islamic Arabian society. This discovery has added new layers to both Middle Eastern history and the global story of female leadership. 8. West Africa, the lost city of gold. In late 2024, aerial scans over the region near Niani, Mali revealed an ancient city buried under jungle. The structures were lined with traces of gold, possibly part of the legendary Golden Court of Mansa Musa, the wealthiest man in history. Oral tradition had long whispered about this city, but now, its stones speak louder than legend ever could. 9. Guatemala, the Maya Scientific Lab. In 2025, deep within the jungles of Guatemala, archaeologists using LiDAR uncovered a never-before-seen Maya compound. It wasn't just a residence, it had a sophisticated chamber filled with bones, botanical samples, and obsidian tools. This wasn't a temple or palace, but a place of experimentation. Could the Maya have had a scientific understanding of biology, medicine, or even chemistry, far beyond what we imagine? The site is now being referred to as the Maya Lab. 10. Japan, The sunken shrine of Yonaguni, off the coast of Japan. Beneath the waves lies a vast, stepped rock formation that some long believed to be natural. But in 2024, new underwater drone imagery suggested these stones were arranged with deliberate geometry. Massive pillars, altar-like structures, and stairways, all submerged. If proven to be man-made, it could be the world's oldest known temple built by a civilization we have no written record of. Could an entire chapter of human history have been swallowed by the ocean? 11. Iran, the missing page of Zoroaster. Near the ruins of Persepolis, a clay tablet surfaced in 2025, bearing verses believed to be from the long-lost parts of the Avesta, the sacred Zoroastrian text. The verses speak of unit, light, and inner time, a philosophical treatise that could rival Plato or Confucius. This isn't just a discovery for Iran, it's a rediscovery for the soul of ancient humanity. 12. Kazakhstan, the king of the horizon. In the windswept steppes of Kazakhstan, an underground tomb revealed the remains of a mounted warrior, adorned in gold, buried with his horse and weapons. Artifacts show links to the ancient Huns, Scythians, and possibly even early Silk Road civilizations. Nicknamed the King of the Horizon, this find places Central Asia firmly on the map of powerful ancient empires, not as a passageway between East and West, but as a cradle of its own.